If you create 100 pieces, give 50 to people who are influential. In amongst those 50, if anything bursts or something of that sort happens, you will automatically get people on your landing page. There's a very big dealer who makes buttons for shirts. In the state of Kerala, he supplied close to 4.5 lakh brands with his buttons and all that. Just imagine our whole country. Streetwear in India for the next 10 years, it's going to be huge.
Let's say I'm into streetwear, मेरे को streetwear में जाना है. Minimum amount of investment क्या है? उत्कर्ष भाई, welcome to the Not Knowing podcast. Thank you so much for doing this. Thank you so much for this nice t-shirt. I really like it. और मैं सही में बता रहा हूँ, पता है लोगों को लगेगा तो I have recently started getting brand collabs. ठीक है, तो अभी ना लोगों को ये लग रहा होगा कि यार ये हर ब्रांड को अच्छा बोल रहा होता है, बट नहीं, जेन्युइनली जो मैं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ डेली वेयर में वो मेरे को अच्छा लगा. मैंने 2 दिन पहना है इसे, कल भी मैंने पहना, आज भी मैंने पहना. तो आई रियली लाइक द टी शर्ट एंड यू आर डूइंग रियली अमेजिंग विद द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट यू हैव. ठीक है, तो मेरे पास 1 लाख रुपए हैं. मेरे को एक ब्रांड स्टार्ट करना है टी शर्ट का इन 2024 राइट नाउ, विच इज सितंबर चल रहा है अभी, है ना. मुझे अक्टूबर में लॉन्च करना है. कैन आई डू इट?
So, firstly, thank you so much for inviting me, and thank you, Bhai, for telling you like the product. I know you might be wearing a lot of brands, but we are a little better than them. Sorry, being a pompous, but so coming to a point, Bhai, yes, I guess you can start a clothing brand if you want. Most important thing which requires for any business, or particularly into clothing, I could say. So number 1 is vision. Number 2 is your procurement, which you can tell as purchase, and number 3 is how you market it.
ठीक है.
तो ये 3 चीजें अगर आप sorted हो, and it doesn't require money. I'll be very honest with you. People tell lot of money to be spent or burnt, but initially start करने के लिए you don't need like a very hefty amount or something. But you should be clear with your vision. What do you want to go? So you want to go into streetwear, you want to go into ethnic, you want to go into, let's say, आपका formals, or you want to go into something which if I can name the brands, so which things like Snitch is doing, things like Rare Rabbit is doing, or there are many brands like not just Snitch or Rare Rabbit. There's Aristocrat which is doing good stuff. So vision number 1. Number 2 is procurement and purchase. Like अभी बहुत कुछ चल रहा है, POD चल रहा है, and minimum MOQs पे प्रिंट करा के बेचिए, try that. To be honest, if you want to go ahead, try that. It will help you a lot. And number 3 is your marketing. So like मैं भी उतना बड़ा नहीं हूँ, but I can't like सिर्फ बोलना कि Meta से will get you big thing, Meta will give you big thing, but the organic thing which influencers, content creators, not even very big, like a good content creator who has a good social media platform can help you. Not in terms of sales, exactly,
but in terms of getting visibility.
In terms of getting the visibility, and गलती से if you hit the right spot,
ओके, ठीक है. अगर इफ यू जैसे यू सेड कि पैसा कम चाहिए, लाइक पैसा नहीं चाहिए यूजुअली, बट आई थिंक सबका नोशन बिजनेस में ये है कि यार पैसा बहुत लगेगा इसलिए लोग शुरू नहीं करते, राइट?
ट्रू.
हाँ, तो विद मी ऑल्सो आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग. आई थिंक किसी पिछले 2-3 पॉडकास्ट पहले मैंने ये बोला था. There was this one podcast where this guy is into corporate gifting. ठीक है, he was here on the podcast and we were talking about it and I told him कि यार मेरा ना merch और t-shirt करने का बहुत टाइम से, मतलब like this is since the inception that I could think of marketing या business. मेरा ये starting से मन था, but मैंने कभी शुरू नहीं करा because कभी product crack नहीं हुआ, कभी ये नहीं हुआ, कभी वो नहीं हुआ. तो वही कि I knew कि यार अगर ये चीज़ sorted नहीं है ना, तो I don't want to get into this मतलब बॉटमलेस पिट. क्योंकि कई बार ये भी होता है, क्योंकि ब्रांड के साथ कई होता है कि प्रोडक्ट सॉर्टेड नहीं है, बट यू गो इनटू द मार्केट, फिर तुम पैसा जलाते रहो. ठीक है, तो यू सेड कि पैसा नहीं चाहिए, तो मिनिमम अमाउंट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट क्या है? कि मतलब अगर मेरे को आज मैंने सोच लिया कि मेरा ये ब्रांड है, ठीक है, लेट्स से आई एम इनटू स्ट्रीटवेयर, मेरे को स्ट्रीटवेयर में जाना है, आई वांट टू डू समथिंग लाइक अ ब्लू ऑरेंज और जे वॉकिंग, मेरे को ये करना है, हाउ कैन आई डू दैट?
So, like I can say you that 1 lakh would be a little less, like बहुत, but you can start a good brand, a good clothing brand, streetwear, which you said you took the names, in somewhere around less than 3.5 lakhs. You can start a proper clothing brand if you want to go into that sector. The brand's name which you took, like Blue Orange J Walking, and you can start that. And if you go to brands like Mass Production, which is Bewakoof, Soul Store, or you can take the name, like there are lot many brands. There is Main Character, Bonkers, doing really good. If you want to do that, I think you can start in around 2.5. 3 तक आप कर सकते हो. Okay. So yeah, that's the major difference between Blue Orange and let's say a Main Character or something like that. So
ठीक है, let's say I have the money. How do I segregate my money? कहाँ ये पैसा जाएगा? When you are saying 1.5 lakh या 3 lakh, where all this money goes?
So basically what happens is that let's say if you are, as I said, that vision, procurement purchase, and the third is the marketing, which you can do. So I can just give you a small mantra. So the founder of Off-White, he has a very cool logic.
Virgin Abloh.
So he says that if you create 100 pieces, give 50 to people who are influential.
Okay.
If you're making 100 pieces, give 50 to people who are influential and sell 50.
Okay.
What will happen is that in amongst those 50, if anything strikes, if anything bursts or something of that sort happens, you will automatically get people on your landing page or on your website or something like that. So coming to your question, you can spend around like, I would say, $1.5 lakh on your procurement and purchase. Like first you need to understand, you want to go to t-shirts, oversized t-shirts, you want to go to 3/4 colors, GSM of the t-shirts, 220, 240, 180, 160. So you can spend something around on that. Then I would say create a very good like content. So you can spend on content. I think a lot of people like, you guys are doing really good in terms of helping new brands to grow. So if you want to do something like that, you can easily strive for like a 50K or something like uske aaspaas ka range ka you can pick for your content production. Content production may will be reels and show photo shoots, very important, like that. Then additionally, I would say keep a lakh, close to a lakh for your Meta. And for Meta, it's a very complex thing, but I wouldn't say push all the money in a month, but just try to bifurcate into like 3 months. So let's say 35 per month you can try. And Meta ka this thing also, right? It takes time to open. First it's 750, 350, 450. So initially you can try with this approach and try with different approaches of like enforcement, try with awareness, try with trafficking, and then try with the sales.
Okay, these are channels जो Meta की ads इस campaign में इस target में चलाओ.
Exactly, the campaign is the right word. So then you can push your money in these things. But definitely, if your procurement purchase, if it's actually really, really good, I mean, there are many brands in India, but if that's really, really good, and your content is even like 8 on 10, you will get what organic can help. Meta also cannot help, because Meta is like you put money in it and then it gives you back. But organic is like you can do a barter, or you can do a small collab, you can do a small, you can help the content producer or something like that I can help you with arranging a studio for you. If he's a rapper or a musician, I can help you with your mixing or something like that. And then if he builds relation and if he gets big, that's
Okay, so I think your idea of a brand is basically creating networks and communities, and then selling through those communities and influential channels that are there. Okay, I think I get the core of your understanding of how you look at the business. Okay, now coming to the actual business, right? How do you get the product right? कैसे मेरे को ये है कि मेरे को ये वाला जो प्रोडक्ट है, दिस इज द राइट प्रोडक्ट, दिस शुड गो इन टू हैंड्स ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, बिकॉज राइट व्हाट आई सी इज कि अभी आई एम ऑल्सो नॉट बिग, बट इफ यू सेंड इट टू अ बिगर इन्फ्लुएंसर एंड दे डोंट लाइक द प्रोडक्ट, राइट, सो दे कैन जस्ट not promote it, or maybe just give out bad reviews. True. So how as a brand you make sure कि मेरी जो quality है, like at anti-you, कि मेरी quality है या फिर मेरा ये product बाहर जाना चाहिए? How do you ensure that?
Yeah, so the first important thing, if I can tell you our story, I don't know about others, but if I'll tell you our story. So we started at a flea market.
Okay.
So myself and my brother, so we literally started at a flea market. So we used to just set up a scenario and we used to create graphic t-shirts. So t-shirts of all type, anime, football, hip hop, music. So we used to sell at the flea market. What we got to know, and that flea market is in a place which is like a good, like the spending power of the people is good. I mean, I won't say it's very good or very bad, but it's good. It's an average thing. Over there, Siddhanta, I used to make, like if I'm doing for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days in the weekend or something like that, I used to do somewhere around, like I used to sell close to 200 to 250 t-shirts.
Okay.
And I keep my price point, let's say 700, 800, 900, this range, like that. What happened is that from there, we got to know the next week when we set up, the retention or the customers which came back were about 35%.
Oh.
And it was just one week, right? Like 1 week you just purchased a
new t-shirt, 700 rupee t-shirt.
700, 800 rupee t-shirt, and the other week, the next week,
you're going out again to buy.
You're going out again, and 30%, or close to 30%, I don't know the exact figure, but close to 30-35%, the people used to come back. What happened is that over then we thought that, boss, this is something which is getting serious, because the quality of the product is really good, which people are appreciating. I don't know about the price point, I don't know about things. Whenever people used to come, they used to say like, boss, I can get this on Amazon, I can get this on Soul Store, I can get this on Bonkers is a very good site, Main Character, all these people. So I used to say that, okay, just try it once. Just wear it once for yourself, your children, or whatever, and just let us know, sir. If you don't like it and if you don't really feel this is good, you can just never come back to us.
Okay.
The same people used to come back again, Siddhant. So what happened is that कि उसमें validation सबसे पहला मेरे क्या market validation before starting my company on an online platform or something. और ये website साथ में चल रहा था.
अच्छा.
तो I'll tell you कि बस मैं और my brother used to think कि यार सेल ही नहीं आ रही है online. ये क्या हो रहा है? मतलब I think we are not either doing good या तो like we are like useless, like we'll just it's like that.
जॉब करते नहीं हो रहा है.
Yeah. So but offline was like the quality of the product and the people which used to come, they used to bring their family, their children. So it's a flea market basically. It's a residential complex. It's a flea market. So people used to come with their if someone relatives comes, जैसे हमारे इंडिया में मौसी ताई को या तो उनके पूरे फैमिली को लेके आना. They used to take it from us and all those things. तो उससे क्या हुआ ना सिद्धांत, we got to know कि the quality of the product is top. At least I can. I don't want to sound pompous in the podcast, but I can say the quality of the product is good. It's really good.
ठीक है.
Number one market validation यहाँ से मिला. Number two ऐसे मिला भाई कि what happened is when let's say whenever our let's say anime, right? Or anime is a humongous market.
Big thing in India now.
Humongous. So what used to happen? Let's say there are shows. JJK, Jujutsu Kaisen, Naruto. Even I don't know them, but I can name
One Punch, I think.
One Punch Man, yeah. One Piece.
One
what
Piece,
used to have? We used to only keep Dragon Ball and let's say One Piece. होता क्या था? People used to ask from us JJK. People used to, if I'm putting up a T-shirt of let's say Kanye West, people used to ask for Kendrick. If you're putting a T-shirt of let's say sports person which is Cristiano Ronaldo, people used to ask for Mbappe or Neymar. उससे क्या होना सिद्धांत, we came to know that this people's mindset is gonna change very very soon. What we did the next week when we went, we got a Mbappe.
Okay.
We got a Kanye West.
Kendrick Lamar.
We got all the animes, whatever we can. Not obviously licensed or something like that, but something which is very close to that. उससे क्या हुआ, जो 10 में से 4 लोग रह रहे थे, 6 जा रहे थे, they were also coming in the picture.
Okay.
They purchase or not purchase, that is a different story. But when they got to know कि okay boss, Jujutsu Kaisen का एक piece है इनके पास, let me go and try. Let me just see how this is changing and all that. तो number 2 market validation ऐसे मिला भाई कि if I change constantly, which is very less, 5 days is a very very less time. But if I change that, I will be able to strive through it.
ठीक है.
तो these two were my, at least I can tell you my.
I think you started from offline and then you make it. Now
it was
you're
online only, completely online. But ऐसा था कि offline में we just tried our luck for the product quality.
अच्छा.
अगर मतलब to be honest यार, I thought कि even if I sell 50 t-shirts, 50, not like more than that, I would be really happy कि यार my product is good. I don't know about the quality.
Tell me an average order value नहीं, order quantity that you are selling right now. Like एक दिन में कितने product निकल रहे हैं online?
Online. So it's somewhere close. So basically I'll tell you one more thing. So it's been differentiated now. So I'll just take 2 minutes of time to tell you that order value and all that. So basically what happened, Siddhant, that initially before when we launched 3 months or 4 months, whatever, we were selling at $8.99, $9.99 and all those prices and everything and all that, all those things. Now we have got into a different sector where we are selling $15.99, $24.99. Okay. Shirts will be around $44.99, $34.99. I know people will be saying, but now my mindset is that. So when I was selling those $8.99 and all those things, I was making an online. I was selling across like close to 25, 30, 40 orders per day.
Okay.
In that segment, मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ.
Okay.
Over there, I was doing that. Now it's a new birth. Like बहुत जल्दी हो गया, 3 महीने में new birth. But I'm starting now with all these higher prices ranges, and once we go deep into it, I'll tell you why I went into it and why I might sound pompous that people will tell, we have brands Blue Orange and Jaywalking. We have main character OWR, it's a very big band from Delhi. Why we will choose him or why we choose Anti-U in terms of the other brand. So yes, previously it was like 25-30 orders a day, close to that. Sometimes it used to go to 45-50.
Okay.
But now because we have shifted to other things, so we are expecting not, I don't know the numbers will go up or not, but there will be a slight difference in that.
Okay. Yeah. ठीक है. So I think I get a sense of where you started from. So you started from online, but again, offline में you saw the product quality. And I think one thing that I really like about the business and you as a person is you keep iterating. So I am from a product world, right? So I am making digital products as a living. So in that also, I think the iteration is really important. Like if you are not growing and if you're not evolving the product, then the user will just go away. User would be like, yeah, ठीक है, कुछ नया मिल रहा. There are so many brands out there in market. I'll just do that. Because when you talked about first selling Kanye West and then in the next week selling Kendrick Lamar, that is a good iteration rate because इतनी देर में design बनाना ये करना वो करना, and I get the understanding because I've studied product design in my college only, so that is why I know कि how much time it takes. And again, I think the key here is that I would want to highlight is listening to the user. अगर तुम अपने यूजर की नहीं सुन रहे हो ना, then there is no point in selling or doing something. You can
100%.
make an amazing product to your eye, but अगर वो यूजर को पसंद नहीं आ रहा, it is a failed product. So again, I think that is what you are doing right here. That is just I want to point out. Second of all, I want to understand when you are selling anime, when you are selling these bigger celebrities, right? There are IP issues. है ना? So how do you channelize through them? Because I think everyone is doing it, everyone is not licensed and everything, but people do find their way, and there is a way, I think I know about it, but I want you to tell me ki if I want to sell like a face which is a Kanye West, which is a Kendrick Lamar, and I don't want to get into trouble with IP, how do I do that?
So even I have not cracked it, to be honest, but what I can tell you is that I didn't used to publish their face or let's say any of their IP things, which can be like something like a body structure or a silhouette of that. I don't used to do that.
Okay.
Because one thing I was sure that if something goes big or if something goes wrong, it might affect my website to go down, my Insta page to go down, and stuff like that. So whatever you might have seen, the older ones, not the newer collections, but the older collections, you might have seen that even if I create a JJK or if I create a anime Naruto and all that, it used to be a silhouette of them. It used to be the look and feel of a Naruto. It was not the actual Naruto. I mean, there used to be a proper Naruto dressed boy.
Like you would understand this is Naruto, but this is not exactly the character.
Exactly the character, something like that. Because if that happens, then can be a...
But I think I have... please go on.
Yeah, so basically I did a Virat Kohli t-shirt.
Okay.
I think you might have seen it. So it's just a Virat Kohli. It's 18 written in the front, and in the back it's Virat Kohli just jumping right after he saved us against Pakistan, Haris Rauf. So I had that image. I did not use Virat's face. I did not use Virat's anything. It was just a public image. He's just pumping his fist in the air. I'm just using that. That t-shirt went viral.
Okay.
So I feel that IP is not an issue. You may correct me if I'm wrong, but it was like and public image picture, and I used it.
That is what I was coming to, because when I was reading about IP, I think you can use a face unless it is not a direct picture which is owned by a brand, a photographer, or the man himself. You can use that image and you can create your own artwork. Maybe if you have your own design, I think you can then navigate through it. Is what I know. Like if you are having a core designer who's actually creating Kanye West pictures from his photo, then you can do it. But again, I think there might be some loopholes here also. Like once you create it, and then they reference it to कि अच्छा ये इस इमेज से उठाया हुआ है, then they can, if it products goes really big, मतलब वो तब है कि हाँ Kanye West को पता लगे यार इस Yeezy की सेल से ज़्यादा तो ये बेच रहा है मेरा, तो तब वो हो सकता है I believe, but हाँ I think it's उसमें नहीं होता. ठीक है. Now coming to getting the pricing right in India. ठीक है, how do you market, and market तो चलो छोड़ो, how do you price right for India? Like first you were selling for 899, right? Now you are shifted to 779, because I think you have seen the potential in the product. That is one. Second of all, obviously you have to cater to the market needs. You have to cater to जो कि brand में पैसा जा रहा है. Everything you have to see, and then you have to price right. So is it okay for a starting out brand to keep iterating prices? Because I've heard कि ऐसा होता है कि मान लो तुमने पहले बहुत बॉम्ब चार्ज कर लिया, तुमने 3000 चार्ज कर लिया, तुम्हारा बिका नहीं, then you drop down to 1799, 999, तो तुम्हारी ब्रांड वैल्यू गिर जाती है वहाँ पे. तो how do you feel about price iteration with brands?
Yeah, so Sid, I'll just tell you, we'll do a reverse psychology. जैसे आपने 3000 कहा, then they drop down. हाँ. Let's go by this approach. You launch by 900, 1000 or 1200. Then if you see you got the right traffic, you got the right people on your platform, jump to 1400. Then if you see if these things are really going big, jump to 1800. And then if you see that okay, it's really required in the market, it's not a want, it's a need in the market, jump to 2500. Okay. So rather going the other route like 3000, even
कि पहले मैं bomb charge करूँ
and then I got out. So in fact, to be honest यार, पैसे तो सबको कमाने हैं, तो in fact even I thought this, that I'll go like very big, 33,000, 2500, and people will purchase my brand only because और कोई brand ही नहीं है दुनिया में. I realized the next day itself, man, if I sell this t-shirt which has just a basic print, irrespective of the quality set, I mean online you can just see the look and feel, how your product is, sorry, not even the feel, the look, how your product is, what design it has. Quality you will come to know at home only. Until unless the brand doesn't comes at your residence, you won't be able to know anything, and the entire world makes the same quality. I'm not saying that ठीक है 19-20 का फर्क होता है, that's true. So what I'm saying is कि the thing is that we need to understand that let's not just jump higher and then come down. Rather just start from really good, like at least to defend your margins. Start from there, because in clothing it's very, very difficult. Not in clothing, I mean in apparel industry I would say it's really, really difficult.
Okay.
So rather start from like a not a lower but a semi-urban kind of an costing, and then try to go up.
Okay.
You will fail 100%. You might not get good sales. You might not get good conversions and whatnot. But if you stick to it, if you do the right, as I said, the right organic marketing, which is content creators, influencers and all that, it will happen someday. It will touch to that mark, and yes, people will come and they'll purchase your product. Just seeing if 2499 can, I can give you an example, Blue Orange. So let's say it's an hypothetical. Blue Orange sells a shark t-shirt for 4,000.
Okay.
If I create a shark t-shirt with a good quality 240, 260 GSM, or not even a shark, if I create a dolphin, which is really, really cool, which is really, really nice, if I sell it for 2,500, people will come.
Yeah.
Because 4,000, it's an audience. 2,500, it's an audience. 2,000 की रुपए की जो चीज कोई afford कर सकता है, he can afford 4,000, he can afford 3,000.
Okay.
But who can afford a 799 or 899? It'll be really tough for him to jump to 2,000, 2,500.
Okay.
3,500. And
But I think they also jump to 2,000 and 2,500 when the brand value comes into play.
Yes.
अगर वही मैं 900 रुपए की एक टी शर्ट देख रहा हूँ फ्रॉम अ ब्रांड हुज रिलेटिवली यंग, एंड अगर मैं देखता हूँ कि ब्लू ऑरेंज का लो टू हाई करके मैंने देखा कि मेरे को 2,500 में मिल रहा है, आई विल बी लाइक यार ये जंप मारा जा सकता है, बिकॉज वहाँ पे फिर मैं ब्रांड के पैसे दे रहा हूँ.
Yes.
वहाँ पे आई थिंक टी शर्ट दोनों की सेम है.
Yes.
240 GM में टेरी कॉटन सारे यूज कर रहे हैं,
सब
सब कुछ सेम है. लाइक सबके वेंडर्स भी हो सकता है सेम हो दोनों के.
Yes.
बट वही है कि then I think I perceive the brand value. So what is something in your opinion that Blue Orange or a Jaywalking is doing right, that they are able to price their t-shirt at that bomb of a money? Because I think Blue Orange starts now, I think when I saw it was 2,900 or so, but I think now it has gone up to 3,500, 3,600. You get you can choose. अगर तुम low to high नहीं जा रहे हो तो you can choose in between 35, 3600. What is something that they are doing right?
So see, the only thing is that जब जरूरत है, अगर आप तब launch कर दो, you'll be the only, like, you'll be humongous, you'll be the monster of that particular business. So let's say streetwear in India is like streetwear in US, it's almost saturated.
Okay.
It's like those guys have been doing since like whatnot 80s and 70s and all that stuff, and they've been doing this stuff which we do over there since long, very, very long time. In India, what happened, Sid, that there was not a brand which was selling this kind of a thing. Like if we consider our example, somewhere in 2017 we didn't see something like this.
Yeah.
If you agree to me. 2017, 2018. What these guys did, they found the right market, right time to hit. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता कि right time is this or that, but they found really good time to just jump in. They really catered the audience which is ready to pay that amount. India is a growing audiences country. जिस भी देश में youngster के पास पैसे होंगे by earning money, doing job, doing other social media activities, doing content creations, they will purchase this stuff. What happened is that they created the right product. They went back ki 180 GSM, patla kapda, all that. Let's not create. Let's create a very heavy t-shirt, 240, 260, which is very breathable, number one.
Okay.
Number two, which is very good. It looks appealing. And number three, कि उसकी show शा हो सके यार. It's all about show shah. You wear a Balmain Paris, you wear a Burberry, you wear a Gucci. It's the same what you wear a Raymond, you wear a Reed & Taylor, you wear a Sierra. It's all the same. It's when it comes to it comes to the brand value of it, and obviously the show shah part of it, which is very, very humongous in India right now, considering the children and everyone growing up in. So what I feel, which they did very, very right, was hitting on time,
the right spot.
Right spot, bringing a new stuff which was, it might be there in India, I'm sorry if I don't know it, but bringing a very new stuff with very cool stuff, and something which people really wanted. People were really bored of wearing engineering ghanta and all those t-shirts, Bewakoof. I mean, that's a different story, but they were really bored of wearing those stuff, and they really wanted to go into something which is different, which is like unique, which is really, so what, like for example, if there's a DTG, which is direct to garment print, जो generally हुआ करता था पहले, then it come DTF, direct to DTF printing was happening. Then there's something called as puff print. Then there's some called as embroidery. What Superdry is creating, you can also create that. A new Indian homegrown brand can create that. Or what Jack and Jones is creating, or what an Essentials, if you know Essentials t-shirts. So they are creating that rubber print. Any Indian brand can also create it. But वो India में नहीं था. That's what I'm saying. That Essentials was there. It was big. They were making good money. 5,000, 6,000 rupees t-shirt, and just an oversized t-shirt. But what Blue Orange Jaywalking did, 5,000, 6,000 t-shirt, a very, very good design, excellent quality, and hit the right spot.
Okay.
So that's
ठीक
how.
है. हाँ, नहीं, that makes sense. And if I talk about starting a brand, a t-shirt brand in 2024, right? How do you think is the market right now? Where is it going? And किस time पे हम saturation hit कर सकते हैं जाके? And is there enough room for a new brand to come in, let's say in next 2 months, 3 months?
Okay. Yeah. So, Sid, I'll just give you a small fact.
थोड़ा सा mic pass कर लो बस.
Yeah, so I'll just give you a small fact. So, there's a very big dealer who makes buttons for shirts and like jackets and all that.
ठीक है.
In Kerala, he supplied 4.5 lakh brands, new brands. In the state of Kerala, he supplied close to 4.5 lakh brands with his buttons and all that. Just imagine.
Just in Kerala.
Yeah, just in Kerala. Yeah, just in Kerala. And the brands can be anything. Like obviously, it's if it's buttons, it will be apparel. It will be into clothing.
Or bags maybe.
Bags can be one thing. But yes, I mean, just imagine like, and it's just, I'm not saying very old data. I'm saying somewhere around 2023, 2024.
Okay.
So state of Kerala can go that big. Just imagine our whole country, and being one of the most populated countries in the world. Just imagine how many brands have come up and just garnered or shouted out. So this is number one. Number two, streetwear in India for the next 10 years. What I feel, I might be wrong, I might be right. For the next 10 years, it's going to be huge. I mean, अब आप मुझसे पूछोगे कि यार ये तो if I'm wearing a nice 1,500, 2,000 का t-shirt, I can get on a street for like 700, 800.
Yeah.
You can get it on the street. You, me, the people in the room are wearing good cotton, good quality material, right? The ones which sell on street are not that really good or not that really bad. So just understand, Sid, that if we have started to penetrate into it, and not everyone in our family or not everyone in our neighborhood and surrounding are still touch to it, or मतलब ज़्यादा नहीं हुए, just imagine how big it can go. So for the next 10 years at least, I feel, and for India especially, because I really love this country, man. I really love the spirit of the people here. So all I'm saying is, for the next 10 years, streetwear is going to be
big in India.
Extremely big. There will be brands coming. There will be people coming. Personally, I would appreciate people to come, start things, and irrespective of whatever you go into streetwear or something.
Yeah.
But if you specifically talk about streetwear, it's the time set that within the next 8 to 10 years, it's going to explode. There will be a saturation, 100%.
Yeah.
But for the next 8 to 10 years, you will be able to, if I tell now that you will be able to make money, that is wrong.
Yeah.
But you should try, explore, and you should try, new brands.
Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है. And if I talk about the new trend that would be coming up, I think now when I was also searching, so I am also, I think, in talks with someone in iteration stages where I'm thinking of starting a brand only. So I think the one fashion trend that I came across and people have been talking about is old money now.
Yeah.
Right? Old money is coming up. Old money is gonna come up. So do you think that brands like Blue Orange or maybe Jaywalking, again we'll take the example of the prime who are there, and do you think they have the power with the brand to take the country's fashion in a certain way? Let's say Blue Orange कल को old money बनाना शुरू कर देता है. Blue Orange कहता है कि भाड़ में जाए सारा street wear बंद कर रहा हूँ मैं, ठीक है, मैं सारा old money बनाऊंगा या मैं सारा retro बना दूंगा सारा, ठीक है. Do you think they have the power to shape the country's fashion in a way?
Yeah. So let's just take a small example. There's a company called as Freakins.
Freakins, yeah, I've heard about it. Huh?
So they, like in India, you might have seen just after 2022, 2021, there was a thing called as carpenter pants.
Yeah.
They were called utility cargos.
Yeah.
Utility cargos are nothing but used by like the people who do paintings, polish.
Yeah, labor work in US.
Labor work in US.
Huh.
And in India, if you go to a big event, you're wearing that.
Yeah.
And the price of that is really good.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not like if you wear a Levi's or if you wear a UCB, if you wear something like Gas or something like that. Sorry if I pronounce the names of the brand wrong. So, but that's priced 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, 3,000, something like that. But these utility cargos, I mean, just imagine Sid, that people were not knowing this, and this is something which US laborers wear, and here we go to, here we go to parties,
A-class events,
A-class events, yeah. Or if someone wears that, people now think, yeah, this is
he knows fashion.
He knows fashions and all that. So that is happening. That the driving factors are brands which are coming up. Driving factors is brands like Jaywalking, Blue Orange, Almost Gods. It's again, it's a Delhi-based brand by Dhruv, great guy. There are things which they can control, but I wouldn't say that it's just these 2-3 brands who can control. There are brands who are really, really big. We might not be knowing them or something like that.
Okay.
But they can also, I would say, monitor, hold, and tell people that what
next thing is coming
next
up.
big can come up. Like utility carpenter, yeah. I mean, it's baggy. I mean, if you wear that, people used to tell झोला है.
Yeah. हाँ. Starting में तो मतलब if we go back to our school time, अगर मैं मम्मी के सामने पहन के चला
it's like झोला है. It's like झोला है. क्या पहन लिया तूने? But if you wear it now, game is completely different. It's a very big game. So yes, brands like not just Jaywalking and Blue Orange, they're very big brands in India or growing brands in India who can drive, things. And if you want to succeed at a brand, just try to hit the right target market segment, what the customer wants, not what you want to sell.
Okay.
What you want to sell, तो ठीक है यार, passion है तो you will sell. But just try that what the customer needs at that point of time.
Okay.
Try to do that. So let's a simple example. You create a jeans. And what if you can give a pocket for an iPad mini?
Okay.
Like I know joggers and all might be having, there must be something, but something for an iPad mini. So let's say if like a designer or let's say people who are into creative fields, who are into, all these content creation fields, they can just travel with their iPad in their pocket, which is very easy for use. They don't need to carry a bag. But just I'm giving a simple example that कि boss अगर आप एक iPad pocket बना दो, because iPad is a big product, solves your problem. So problem solving number 1 and number 2, which is really good. थोड़ा शोशा हो जाए, थोड़ा अच्छा लग जाए. So that is something. So yes, brands drive.
Makes sense.
But not just the top premium ones which you're telling.
Okay.
It's across the
But where does this culture stems from? Like how as a country we are enabling fashion in us. So for example, is it the West that we are seeing कि हाँ West में ये चल रहा है तो I'll replicate it in India right now, या फिर मैं I'm not sure if मैं Pinterest देख रहा हूँ, मैं YouTube देख रहा हूँ, what is the roots of this fashion that is coming in? Who are the brands that are really driving this? Because जैसे अभी हमने इंडिया में Blue Orange इनकी बात करी, who are in the West who are like कि यार अब ये करते हैं, this is something that we'll push out in the market.
Yeah. True.
So do you think brands like Zara and H&M are doing that?
So Zara and H&M are like a complete different ball game. Okay. So like let me ask just you a question. Sorry, we'll come back to that. Why there is no Zara made by an Indian company or even Globe? Do you think that there can be another Zara? There can be another H&M, which is Mango. Okay. Or I might be wrong, but the H&M can be like a Mango. Okay. Or even if you can say H&M can be brands like there's a new brand coming up as Azorte. Okay. It's again a new brand. It's a big brand. Uniqlo. Those can be into H&M categories. But why do you think there's no Zara? I mean. Okay. I don't have an idea. I'll tell you. So basically, what Louis Vuitton makes sells for 2 lakh, 250, 150. Zara creates the same. For 5,000 rupees, 4.5. Yeah. Like the shirts which we wear, it's like what's into fashion right now, the floral prints and really good looking shirts which we wear. We buy that for Louis Vuitton and like or a Gucci or let's say a Balenciaga or something like that. Zara does that like this. Like in a day they launch the Louis Vuitton. Within the next 3 days, it's on the Zara's website and they're on their stores. It's like within the next 1 week or something like that. So we just need to imagine that Zara being so big, like I can just give you a small example, like in a 4-5 kilometer radius of an area, let's say in Delhi, per day they must be selling close to 25,000 packets. 25,000, like 4-5 kilometer radius I'm telling. I'm not saying, but obviously it depends. Like I don't know the exact places, but I can tell you something like in Bombay, I can tell you, like in a place like, which is the Western Express Highway, which you can say Borivali, Kandivali. Okay. They are selling 26,000 packets a day. Like packets, I mean to say deliveries. The
deliveries, yeah. Usme border value kuch bhi ho.
Yeah, that's a different story. So all I'm saying is that what Zara is doing, it's magnificent. I mean, they are allowing people to wear what Balmain and these guys are making in a very good price. Zara is expensive, I'll tell you. Yeah, because now you have purchasing power, so we can say it's but Zara is expensive. It's actually expensive, but it allows people to wear that stuff and feel cool and feel like it's Zara and it's now a very big brand. So you're absolutely right that Zara and H&M
can be the brands who are shaping the
Zara
market
is
in a way.
For sure.
Zara
For
is
sure. At least I
doing that.
agree.
Yeah.
At least I agree. Zara is for sure. I mean, it's
And when we talk about Zara, right? So I think, I don't know, is it the media that has influenced me, or is it I think some of the videos that I've seen? So I now relate Zara to as a fast fashion brand. Zara को label कर दिया गया as a fast, and it is a fast fashion brand. Label क्या कर दिया गया? It is a fast fashion brand. But fast fashion now, I think in societies is being seen as a negative thing, right? If you are labeled as a fast fashion brand, then it shows like you are not sustainable, you are not caring about the environment, and that is true, because I think I was reading somewhere that these fast fashion dumps are the second most pollutants of the environment of the world, right? So with all of these brands coming up, how at Anti-U, or how maybe a brand that I would start can be sustainable and do the right things to even contribute to the environment? Or do you feel कि उसकी क्या ही जरूरत है?
yeah.
That can also be an opinion. मतलब that is not a wrong opinion. ठीक है यार, you don't care about the environment, or not even caring about the environment. It is like कि ठीक है यार, this is my ideology. मेरे को इतने साल काम करना है, मेरे को ये बेचना है, and fuck it यार, I don't want to make a Zara or something. I just want to sell my product. That can also be an answer. So what do you think about this fast fashion industry that is happening?
So firstly, you said again, thank you for highlighting sustainability and environment, bringing environment into factors like which we do business right now, or people do businesses right now. So just to start again, Sid, so in Kolkata, I mean, in a very small nautical mile area, I would say like 10-12 kilometers of that area, close to, like, I don't know the exact count, but close to 100 to 200 ton of apparel waste has been there. 100 to 200 is in Kolkata. Just imagine about India. So, and that harms the environment for sure. Harms the environment for sure.
Yeah.
So I, being a brand at Anti-U, my basic thing is that I have to preserve my Mother Earth. That's the philosophy I have. But how do I do that? I get, because I have waste. Even agar ek kapda stitching ke time kharab ho jaye, it's a waste. Can't use it anymore. I have to throw it in the dump or something like that. So what measures are which I take personally is that, again, it's a personal thing. So we do screen printing.
Okay.
Right? So the colors which we use are very, very eco-friendly.
Okay.
Like it's just like Asian Paints and Berger and Nerolac. When they came to know that, boss, we are doing really wrong. Like it's oil-based paints, and it's all that. It's really polluting the environment. It's not keeping the house fresh and safe. They changed it. So similarly, I use with my colors and all that, which is like very, very not completely eco-friendly, but yes, up to some extent eco-friendly. Also, I try to reduce my garment waste as much as I can. I try to, like, I'm thankful to all the tailors and all the people who help me doing this, but I generally try to reduce it by, some or the other means, so that by any chance, it can be used again or something like that. So, I mean, this is one of the things. So there are brands like India who create, I don't know the exact thing, but from if Lotus Milk or something like that, I don't know, or from almond milk or something, they create a shirt.
Oh.
They create a t-shirt, but where are they now? Like, people don't know. I mean, they're not no more there in the circuit. These guys tried. We should have appreciated.
Yeah.
Like, responsible people of the planet leave India. We should appreciate that. There were brands which came up. There are still brands. Bamboo fiber is a big thing now coming up in India, right? But people have to realize that, boss, we need to go there, and we need to definitely support the environment.
And like, just throwing a random idea here, can there be a person who creates a brand out of these landfills? Let's say I go to a landfill, I pick up some part of that clothing, right? I do the due diligence of washing it and everything, and then try to create products out of it.
Why not? Yes. So again, I'll just tell you one thing. So basically, there are t-shirts in India, you won't believe, they'll sell for 10 rupees.
Okay.
Like one t-shirt, obviously the quality and stuff, but it sells for 10-15 rupees per t-shirt. Just imagine, say 10-15 rupees one t-shirt, normal t-shirt. So what are those? Those are either picked from dumps. Those are either picked from let's say some sort of
landfill
things which go wrong. Landfills and all that. So I mean, yes, people are doing that, but it's not a brand, but they are selling it to the manufacturers, to the retailers and all that. But they're doing, but obviously the quality is not that good, and stuff like that. But yes, one should definitely think that how can we, from the dump fills and from all that, how can we again regrow it, or reuse it? What Zara does, if you see, sometimes if you see in Zara now it is grown, it's recycled. It's recycled. It's from the thing which you you did. So it's coming up and use again, and that sells very good.
Okay.
So I just tell you that sells really really good
उसकी
because
वैल्यू बढ़ जाती है
वैल्यू बढ़ जाती है. जैसे मैं like I shouldn't use this word कचरा है.
हाँ.
था कुछ टाइम पहले.
हाँ.
When you make it a nice t-shirt or nice shirt, just rebuild, recycled. People come. People are now very very environment friendly and all that. नहीं भी है तो दिखाते हैं. They purchase it 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 sometimes even more. So yes,
Okay.
Those things happen.
That's nice. हाँ मतलब I think if there can be a market here or if there can be an idea मतलब just throwing out random just you can pick up a t-shirt 3-4 t-shirt उठाओ cut few make tote bags out of it.
Yes.
You can do that.
Yes,
That can
100%,
sell
100%.
amazingly if you have the story. Now coming to story, let's talk about INTU. Why did you start INTU first of all? Why take this, you know, कि मैं एक ऐसा brand शुरू करूँगा which would be called INTU clothing. We can get into the name of it. Why the name INTU? We can tell me the whole story of INTU clothing.
So again, yeah, it's two boys thinking to go big. Basic what you have in your 20s and early 20s and all that. So like it's just a random idea popped up that let's go something in apparels. You really where you have a good knowledge about it. You know, it's a good time, bad time kuch nahi hota is it, but it's just about you to start and you to go ahead. But for me personally, it was like kuch karte hain, like a little different. Like I'm like my brother does the entire thing, but it's like kuch karte hain different. So it's like just kid boys in you know early 20s started it. Basic like a basic t-shirt print, good quality t-shirt, and let's just say कि go ahead कर दो, like करो. तो our idea was just ये कि 50 पीस बनाएंगे या 40 पीस बनाएंगे, बहुत कम पैसे लगाएंगे, 50, 50, 55, 70,000. मैं और आप I know people will laugh and यार क्या बात कर रहे हैं, but I'll be very honest with you, 50 से 55, 75,000 का बजट मैंने पूरा पेपर पे बना लिया कि 75,000 तो ब्रांड खड़ा कर दूंगा.
ठीक है.
And we said कि 50 टी-शर्ट्स बनाएंगे. We did that. 35 टी-शर्ट्स बनाए अलग अलग डिज़ाइन के. You know, different types of designs, DTF material only, printing material, and good quality, very very good quality, awesome quality. Invested like 75-80,000 in that. वेबसाइट पे ठीक ठाक काम किया था, मार्केटिंग जीरो. मतलब बस लग रहा था कि यार मतलब वही है ना कि ऑफलाइन आपकी बिक रही है, ऑनलाइन सेल ही नहीं आ रहा शॉपिफाई में. तो मतलब हम इतने डम, मतलब आई विल लिटरली यूज द वर्ड सेड दैट वी आर ब्लेस्ड. इट्स बिन गॉड्स ग्रेस एंड यू नो थिंग्स दैट वी गेट टू नो एवरीथिंग ईच डे. मतलब इतना फेलियर हो गया, मतलब फेलियर वर्ड इज नॉट गुड, बट इतना लर्निंग हो गया पर डे बेसिस पे कि मतलब इतनी ठोकरें खाई कि अभी भी खा रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं खा रहे, बट सीखने को बहुत कुछ मिल गया कि भाई ये गलत हो रहा है, ये सही करो, ये गलत हो रहा है, ये सही करो. तो that's what I said again. Offline we were really doing good, bringing new designs जो पब्लिक को चाहिए, selling really really good. तो वही था कि just basic सोचेंगे 75-80 लगाएंगे, थोड़े पैसे बन जाएंगे और विल गो वेरी वेरी बिग. और तब व्हाट यू वोंट बिलीव, आई थॉट ऑफ सेलिंग टी-शर्ट्स एट 2,000, 2,500. I just used to multiply 2,500 into 50 into 100. So I was like, we are just two people running the firm. There's nothing other operational cost or something like that. It's like very good money, yaar. I mean, profits are really really good. Net profits are really really good. मतलब तो और कुछ करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. तो then yes, we started with it. Badly, मतलब पैसे बनाए, ऐसा नहीं बनाए, लेकिन things obviously, you know, don't go the way man plans, God laughs. So that's the thing. So things obviously didn't go the way which I personally wanted. Offline, yes, we were doing good. We were doing decent. You won't believe that I literally used to go for deliveries. Used to go to people's house. They used to feel कि अरे यार आप तो बेच रहे थे, आप delivery, but I used to just save money over there, 50, 70, 80 rupees जो भी है. I just save money over there and all that. तो एक काफ़ी लगाव लगा लिया था ब्रांड से कि यार कुछ ना कुछ करेंगे बड़ा, ये वो. एंड देन वी जस्ट रोल्ड ऑन, एंड ऑब्वियसली एवरी डे, टुडे ऑल्सो देयर सम मिस्टेक. If I go to my data, the 100% something or the other, like it'll be like it'll be a conflict. That if the blue like royal blue design is selling, I will say no, sky blue is good. Go with this. Data is boss royal blue. Why are you going sky blue? Normal जैसे वो होता है. तो it's the good part is that God's grace. I'm very fortunate to God that ये every day पता चल रहा है कि भाई गलतियाँ कहाँ हो रही हैं, सुधार कैसे सकते हैं. और luckily there are people in our lives who come and help us at times that boss try to you know get
pump
things
this up. हाँ ये कि कुछ नया करता है.
हाँ पंप तो वो हो जाता है ना यार, सेट की पंप हो जाता है कि बैंक में जितने पैसे बचे 30 तारीख को, जैसे like salary is a drug. You agree, right? Salary is a drug. It comes in like, but 30 तारीख को जितने बचे प्रॉफिट, दैट गिव्स अ रियली गुड पंप. तो पहले तो इट वाज लाइक ब्रो क्रेजी, लाइक वेरी वेरी गुड. बट व्हेन इट केम टू ऑनलाइन, व्हेन वी आर डूइंग गुड, ऐसा नहीं है, बट इट वाज लाइक कि ओके क्या गलत हो रहा है, क्या सही हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. तो देन वी गो बैक टू अवर drawing board. We fix things again. As I said, that now we are into a different sector, and considering we will be going big from here now, and we will go big no
Totally,
matter the thoda pompous hai, but we will go. So yeah, that's the plan, man. I mean, it was just two boys wanted to make something big. पता नहीं होगा नहीं होगा. We will try. We will do our best. क्योंकि छलांग जब चांद की मारोगे तभी जाके आप 19th 20th फ्लोर तक पहुंच पाओगे.
सही बात है, बिल्कुल सही
तो
बात है.
छलांग चांद की जारी है. गिरे भी हैं, हर दिन गिरते हैं, लेकिन yes, we try to.
Nice, that is nice. And what is something that we would see upcoming in Antio clothing? Like, what is the vision with the brand now?
Yeah, so vision, as I said, it's very important. Offline also we are discussing this. So the vision is now that to cater everyone, like a child of 11 years to 60 years, 65 years. Not just, you are a streetwear brand, you're a hardcore streetwear brand, but you want to cater into different categories. It's wrong, it's right. You will get to know in time. But if you have the plan ready, if you have the things ready, so I'll just give you an example that we are latest launching an SKU of shirts. So shirts, man, is like, I can be very honest with you, but it's going to be really big. I mean, I know it'll take time for the people to connect with ki kya hai, because there are brands, like there are a hell lot of brands, man, which do shirts and, you know, all those things. But when it comes to the quality, and when they come to know that what it is, like obviously when they purchase quality, to aise pata nahi chalegi. It's going to be something big. I'm very, very hopeful of that. And then obviously then we are going to bottom wears and all that. So bottom wear is again a very big market, as we already discussed, right? So bottom wear we are going to go very, very soon. Streetwear, obviously we are growing day by day. So this is our latest end game Tiger tee.
Yeah, I really loved it. Iska piche ka print is just amazing. We'll put it here.
That's so
it's really nice.
Really looking forward to things, trying new things every day, of prints, embroidery prints, something like this. Like a little terminology ऐसी है, लोगों को लगेगा कि भाई design दिखा. So like ultimately that's the thing. So yeah, trying new things every day, but with a vision and with right amount of spending the money, not लुटा दिया like that.
ठीक है. And if someone wants to, let's say, start a brand in January, right? What is something that you see there's a market gap and you would recommend them to go to, कि मतलब ये कर सकते हो. तो लेट्स से अपैरल में बात करते हैं, ठीक है, कि इसमें ये बहुत बड़ा गैप है, ये फिल करना है, और there's a potential brand that can be created here. What is something?
So I'll not I can't disclose that, man, because I mean it's on the web. People know about it. People who are already into this business, they know about it. So I'll personally feel that okay, whatever I'm doing, but I have a vision of getting into khadi.
Okay.
So khadi in India
can be big.
It's like you won't imagine, said it will be even bigger than the brands which we think is like premium ultra luxury.
But khadi ka t-shirt नहीं बन सकता ना.
No, not t-shirt, obviously shirts, and obviously shirts and your bottom wear you can try. The only thing is that with khadi is that it's really it's a man-made job, man. It can't happen with like a machine or something. So it takes a lot of time, takes a lot of efforts, but I can just tell, like personally also I'm feeling this, and I'm about to start. That's on my drawing board for the next let's say 14 months, something like 14-16 months. But I definitely feel that khadi in India is going to be like, it's going to be a blast, said. I mean, if someone wants to get into it, it's very, very time consuming and बहुत आपको निचोड़ देने जैसा वाला काम है ये khadi, because it's really thing. But when it comes to the Indian market now and what we see it growing for the next whatever years it come, it's going to be hell. It's a very, very big thing, because see, patriotic, we have been patriotic because we are Indians, we should be patriotic about it. But what now the things have happened with the help of social media, with the help of people knowing, everyone is a patriotic person, like that. But the thing of khadi coming in India is going to be humongous, and you can just imagine the price it sells, and people will purchase. So I mean, I'm not telling as a कि मैं बहुत ये okay बोल रहा हूँ, but yes, people will purchase khadi.
I think 10,000-15,000 rupees a shirt. That is the price.
You won't imagine people will purchase.
Yeah.
Because
and they're already purchasing, I think so. It was the talk on, I think, Nikhil Kamat's podcast where he was talking to this guy, Rare Rabbit ka founder jo hai.
Okay, Mr. Manish Poddar.
Yeah, Mr. Manish.
Okay.
So he was talking to him, and they were talking about khadi, and they were also talking about indigo being big in India, like indigo as in indigo dyed.
Yeah, because it's our product. Indigo is
Yeah,
our.
Indigo is our
Yeah, I
product,
mean,
yeah.
it's. I mean, I should not say these bloody outsiders took everything, but
Yeah.
Indigo is our. So denim, obviously, it's. But the blue, the denim
Yeah.
which you that is ours. That is
Yeah.
like हमारी धरोहर है यार वो तो it should be. I'm sorry, I haven't seen this thing, but I'm really happy that it's been getting promoted and
Yeah.
stuff like that.
So there's this one brand I think that Nikhil also talked about is 1111 clothing.
Yeah,
करके.
1111. Yes.
Yeah, so he wears that, and they are also doing something in the indigo and khadi. I think that
Okay,
is why
great.
they are charging a bomb. I think.
Yeah, I think 11 starts from 10, 8 to 10. I think I'm not sure, but yeah.
And I think one of their shirts also go up to 25, 30K.
That's
so
big.
something like
So
that.
just imagine,
Yeah,
right,
and
like-
people are purchasing it.
And
So
a person like Nikhil Kamath,
Yeah.
great guy, man. I mean,
Yeah.
I don't meet him like I know
Yeah.
him personally. I don't know anything. Great guy. I mean,
yeah,
helping brands to grow. A
Yeah.
person like Anurag Kashyap,
yeah,
great guy. I mean, I don't know what I'd leave everything.
yeah,
Promoting new brands,
Yeah.
promoting good stuff, promoting really good homegrown Indian brands who can
Yeah.
really go big and things like
Yeah.
that. So Nikhil Kamath, I must say, is like an
he's proved it. that-
ultimate.
yeah.
I would say like a proper, like he's like
Powerhouse of a person.
powerhouse of a person.
Yeah.
Especially helping people like me, us in the
Yeah.
in the marketplace to just really go and the good part about these guys are what I feel, whatever I've seen Nikhil's podcast is like he really inspires with the story. He really
Yeah.
connects with that which I told you that
Yeah.
you are also something of that sort कि यार आप ना
नहीं यार, वो
क्योंकि आप you connect with the person because माल बिकेगा नहीं बिकेगा that's a different story, man. If the person is really good, it is gonna hit.
Hmm.
It is gonna go big. Like
That
Mr.
makes
Aman
sense.
Gupta, he's
Yeah.
the founder of
Boat.
CMO of Boat. He might have failed.
Yeah,
Then he started Boat.
yeah.
Yeah. And you can take names, man. There are n number of names. And then so that's the thing.
Okay. Now talking about Shark Tank, right? There was a brand on Shark Tank called Snitch that came up, right? And I think the sale numbers that he's presented in Shark Tank were just amazing. Like you could see that guy was making like close to 10, 11 lakhs at the end of a month. Maybe he's taking that home, and it was just crazy, right? So how is a brand like a Sold Store or a Blue Orange different from each other?
Can I go into details?
Yeah.
So let's take a normal mathematics. So let's say Snitch manufactures 999.
Okay.
999 market is one of the biggest markets in India. 999, man.
Yeah.
999, 899, 1 2, or like 1 2 9. Now they have come into 1299, 1699. Soul Store again, 999, 949, all that. Bewakoof again. Bewakoof is like 700, 800.
Yeah.
They also go big. Bonkers, 999. Main character. Main character is also, I think, that range. I'm not exactly sure. So this is one market. Another market, let's take the example of Blue Orange, 3,500, 4,000. As you said,
Yeah.
Jaywalking again, 5,000, 6,000. OWR Life, it's a Delhi-based brand again. Then there is Anti-U, which is growing up. So then, and let's say a couple of more new brands. Let's counter that. Here, it's maths, basic maths. You need to sell for making 1 lakh rupees. You have to sell huge. I mean, if your price is 999,
Yeah.
just imagine. I mean, you just like it's. To even make 1 lakh rupees, it's not that big. You need to sell huge volume.
Yeah.
But over here, you're selling for 5,000. 50 t-shirts.
Yeah.
Job's done. 10 t-shirts.
Yeah.
You hit the gold spot and
Yeah.
to go a little big, 20 t-shirts, 30 t-shirts, 50 t-shirts, you just go big.
Yeah.
The only thing is that with brands like these and the brands like I won't segregate them, they're all thing, but brands like these who cater into the 999 market or 3-digit market, which is very humongous in India.
Yeah.
So someone told me this, actually I read somewhere that there's a difference between a chiku tree and a mango tree.
Okay.
So this is like a chiku tree, gets you good money, gets you
The fruit.
faster.
Yeah. The
This
fast.
mango tree
Yeah.
takes time, takes a lot of time.
Yeah.
You need to push it,
But
nurture
sells
it.
for
But when it
200
grows-
rupees a kilo, 300 rupees a kilo.
Yeah, and when it grows, just imagine the chiku tree will be there for some time. But the mango tree, like in my village, I have like a 200-year-old mango tree. So just imagine that. Yes, both the places you can do good things and do bad things. Like I told you the stats, right?
Yeah.
But here it's like now what I think, what Anti-U should be, what Anti-U will be, by God's grace, should be like I want to make a mango tree that really like I make some difference and really try to go really try to do something for the people, really try to bring something. But fashion in India is which is humongous, which really really good fashion designers said. I mean, I must say that children who pass out from NIFT, children who pass out from colleges like Shrishti and all this, I can take names if I'm allowed to. Excellent, man. I mean, why are we hiring like US, UK? Okay, honge, but our children crazy. I mean, like Snitch, great guy Siddharth. Again, I have not meant so like great guy से मतलब जो भी सुना है, देखा है, पढ़ा है, उससे मैं बोलता हूँ आपको. Great guy. He has बहुत revolution. I mean, revolution गलत शब्द होगा यार, but he has got a good thing. मतलब he wants to be a next big thing. So Snitch, I can tell you a fact. If I'm allowed. Yeah. So they sell clothes around across something around 5,000, 6,000 pieces a day, I guess.
Okay.
If I'm wrong, I may be wrong, but they sell something.
I think it's just sales के मैंने भी वो लगाया था. I think the numbers may be close
to that. They are spending bomb in their influencer. They are spending bomb in their meta. But yes, they are selling this much of per units per day, which is really good. But again, man, it's a lot of flaws in it. I mean, I should not go a little into this part of it, but a lot of flaws in it in terms of, I'm not talking about Snitch, but companies which is quality. I mean, you might have seen that I'm being a personal brand owner, you can read comments that the quality is really not good. 2 washes, 3 washes is going out. So the thing is that 999 people are getting attracted, people are buying, people might be going again also, but the quality is something which is which a 2499, 3499, I'm not saying कि ये वाले खराब होते हैं, but 2499, 3499 boss
is cracking.
Is like key. Boss quality, I mean, obviously man, you're spending good money on that, so you will get a bomb product. I mean, यहाँ पे भी bomb है, ऐसा नहीं है, but bomb से थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. So that's
you're paying for the premium and you're getting that premium.
Yeah. And obviously Shosha. So yeah. And this is Soul Store ka. It's a great story, man. Like they didn't want to spend in boardings, hoardings. They might be doing. They opened an outlet. What bigger brand marketing than that? Simple यार. मतलब कि बच्चों ने खरीदा, मेरे छोटे भाई ने खरीदा एक Black Panther Wakanda का कोई टी-शर्ट, and I see the brand in the mall with their
the whole red
brick and mortar thing, and it's crazy. I mean, just see यार कि मतलब क्या branding है ये, कि boss ठीक है, it takes money, takes a lot of money, but जो हम PR या hoarding करेंगे, it also takes money, it takes a lot of money. मतलब you are from this field, you know this, right? It takes a lot, humongous money. I must use that word, humongous. But like what a genius, like thing that कि boss मैं अपना brick and mortar लगा दूंगा. I'll try to do that. And so similar was with me, flea market, man. Why should I, मतलब क्यों मैं घिसवाऊँ यार 8-9 घंटे, क्यों, मतलब ठीक है स्टोरी है, इंस्पिरेशन है, बट क्यों मैं घिसवाऊँ, खड़े रहूँ 8-9 घंटे, गर्मी है, बॉम्बे मैन, ह्यूमिड, क्रेजी ह्यूमिड, बट flea market लगाया. तो now people who, because we are not doing fleas, it's rainy season in Bombay, people are raging on WhatsApp, where are you, up क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो ये वो. So I did what these guys did. I mean, I did not know this story. I recently discovered like a few weeks back. But I felt कि यार whatever you spend in your boarding, hoarding, which is very important, PR and all this, very 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 important. I'll be very blunt. Not much people tell. क्योंकि सच किसी को बोलना नहीं है यार.
That is true.
That's true, right? But that's how we try to get things. So yeah,
that makes sense. Talk to me about how you are growing, how you are penetrating the market. ठीक है, एंड व्हाट आर योर फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्ट्स. आपने आपने बताया यू आर लॉन्चिंग शर्ट्स एंड बॉटम वेयर्स, यू आर डूइंग दैट. ठीक है, व्हाट इज समथिंग वेयर यू वांट द ब्रांड टू बी, इसके बारे में बात करते हैं. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट एंटी नाउ.
Yeah, so thank you for bringing this up, that what you want your brand to be. So definitely a 5-year goal set. I do a small milestones to achieve big. So next 5 years, really want to penetrate into Indian subcontinent, I would say. Number 1. Number 2, launching products which are great, like excellent products. I mean, I make money, I don't make money, that's a different thing. Making money most important business में, that's philosophical बातें नहीं चलती है. But I really want to make something which is really like penetrating Indian market, man. मतलब सब करते हैं, सब यही बोलते हैं, but something different, I can't tell you that, but little something different which can be used. Number 3, sustainability, which I thank you for bringing that up. How can be eco-friendly, how I can save or support the environment, whatever I can. I mean, it's very important, it's the need of the hour. And number 4, which I think is definitely going to be styles. Okay. So something will change. India will change with time. People's mindset will change with time. Children right now, like they purchase a 2,000 rupees product, and in the next 5 days, 10 days, they are bored. They don't want to wear that t-shirt. They want to go to something else. So fast fashion is a very good word, but I really want to go into something which is like very, very, balanced. जो सस्टेनेबल हो, नॉट नथिंग लाइक कि यार मतलब एकदम बना दिया निकाल दिया बना दिया निकाल, जो मैं कर रहा था I was doing that as I said you know I have learned a lot from my mistakes and I think whatever learning has been there it has been from the mistakes because we had no like ऐसा कोई बहुत बड़ा guidance और support नहीं था कि क्या सही करना है क्या गलत करना है. It's all about the learnings which we have got wrong, right, and you know stuff like that. So definitely man, want to make Anti-You something really really big with obviously a purpose. Like, something like purpose to apparel में like generally if you do a business try to do it for a purpose, try to do it for something you know, purpose is like not making money making most important क्योंकि ये सब philosophical बातें होती हैं, but something for a purpose like really helping the environment, helping something or the other in some of the other way. So I really want to do that and hopefully we will do it. Sorry for again being pompous, but we will really we'll try to go big. We'll try to go big in the sense कि ठीक है यार sales and all we'll do good stuff here and there. But really I mean again I'm saying that we'll try to go as much big as
that's a definite realistic goal, and I think that is nice, and you're taking action, so I think obviously they'll convert. Let's say if there's a guy, ठीक है, from your experience that you have had with Anti-You, with the years that you have been and you have seen brands, you have seen these many things, right? What is one thing that has worked for you and you would want to, you know, say it as an advice to someone who's listening this?
Do mistakes. I would say भाई बहुत छोटा हूँ यार ये सब बोलने के लिए, सब बातें 60 के बाद भूली जाती है, लेकिन
नहीं, but still यार मतलब I think 24 साल में भी you are doing this brand and you are also, you know, selling, so there is something that you are doing right? People who are in their 30s, and I see people because I'm in a corporate job, right? So I see people around me who are 30, 35 without a purpose. They don't know what they are doing, right? But at 24 you're trying something out and you're learning. So I just want that, मैंने वही advice मैंने बोला, but हाँ, that learning I want कि हाँ, what is something if a person who's watching can take out of this?
Yeah, so firstly thanks again for bringing this, Sid. You're like a crazy mind reader. I should say, I should use the word mind reader. So firstly yaar, learn from your mistakes. Fall every day, but when you fall, try to get up 10 times big. Try to, you know, get to 10 times big. Never repeat your mistakes. Like I can tell you a basic example. Supply chain, huge problem. For me, it's like I cracked it. I'm trying to crack it. मतलब normal है यार. मतलब जैसे कि you take an example of Adit Palicha, Zepto. Crazy guy, man. Who thought? I mean, Big Basket bought this trend in India and you know, all this. 10-minute delivery, what is that? And it's crazy.
Bro, it's not even 10 minutes. मैं बताऊँ, I was in Gurgaon. I ordered, I think, Coke और ऐसे chips वगैरह कुछ order करा. My Zepto has it. It was delivered in 4 minutes. And I was like, भाई मैंने अभी order करके मैंने Instagram reel scroll करने चलो उसका phone आया, सर मैं नीचे हूँ कहाँ देना है. And I was like, bro, this is super fast. This is crazy.
Exactly.
What they're doing. This is just amazing.
वही बात हो गई भाई, that try to learn from your mistakes a lot. Try to do your stuff. No need to go to something a standard or a bookish thing. Yes, be a little standard. You have to make money out of it. It's not a charity business. You're not into making a charity kind of a stuff. You have to make money from it. You have to grow yourself. You have your own wants and needs. I'll be very open with you, Sid, right? That you whatever you're doing for you're doing a purpose as a brand, yes, but as an individual you want stuff, man. You want to go to Amsterdam, you want to go to Europe, you want to go to Paris, you want to go to US, you like you want to explore the world, you want to take your parents, like अभी मतलब recently मैंने discover किया यार ठीक है दोस्त and all that's one thing, take your parents, man. उससे अच्छी बात कुछ नहीं हो सकती. Like I mean sorry, it's a little diverting thing, but I mean just take them for a trip, man. Just go to the best hotel, serve them the best thing which they can, and you know उससे like it's अब मेरे लिए again I'm saying that you know I leave the age, but now I've realized it थोड़ा सा कि take your parents, take your loved ones, take your younger brothers, sisters, and you know तो उनको एक experience दो that you know this is something, but for that you need money. Like, ultimately all this thing this you know shosha everything lands on money. Money is the most important thing, man. This is the most important. I know it's a debatable topic, it's a powerful tool or not, it is. मतलब मैं मानता हूँ, I know सबके अपने अपने opinion होते हैं. You can tell me yours also. Like,
so my opinion for money is it is again the most prime thing that you want, right? And उसके बाद I can say all of these things. When I have the money, I can say all of these philosophical things कि भाई पैसा matter नहीं करता, your health is important and everything. But again, at to be in a position where I can say all of this ki health matter karti hai and I need to have that money. So I think that is what my learning has been.
True.
I am 26 now and doing all of these things. I've just realized this, the money is the most important thing. And we have seen here, even if you want to twist turn things, like you can use it in a negative way, you can use it in a powerful way.
100%.
And when you have that tool, people do come to you.
Yes.
People do reach out to you.
Yes.
So I've seen that shift also. So again, I would say that it is, again, for me also, it is the most prime and most powerful thing. And I think that is the core of any business also. तुम कितना ही बातें कर लो, तुम्हारे पास प्रोडक्ट है, सब कुछ है, बट अगर तुम्हारे पास पैसा नहीं है, if you are thinking कि next day मैं कैसे अपना business को survive करवा पाऊंगा, I think that is the core of the business.
So obviously, I mean, create good money, man. I mean, it's time in India that really Antiyu will go big, God's grace, and people. I mean, people are the ones who will make you big and small, right? People, everyone in out in here and out that. So firstly, the most important thing, Sid, is that as a brand or as a, not as a end user, but as a seller, you should be most respectful and treat them at the highest regards as the people or the consumer. At highest regards. मतलब वो जो हमने बचपन से सुना है कि कस्टमर देवता है, कस्टमर, treat them like that, man. Treat them like that. Just do something, man. Like, you know, all brands are doing that. I started with Antiyu. Birthday, wish them. Come on, like it's an anniversary, wish them. A lot of people do it. It's a common thing. कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं होती है. Just, you know, make them feel happy.
So that personal touch makes them feel special.
So there in India right now, like it's again an off topic, but there might be people who are not getting birthday messages more. Like जब हम छोटे थे, like अभी भी यार जवानी है, लौंडी है, लेकिन जब बहुत छोटे थे तो we used to get messages, gifts, and not necessarily everyone is getting that. But if a brand like me, like, you know, just sends them happy birthday, use 15%, 20% discount on this, he will feel happy यार कि यार चलो कोई तो याद कर रहा है. There are people in India, I'll be very honest with you, मतलब कोई लाख बोल ले कि यार, you know, हम तो भाई सब गबरू है. It's not like that. There are people in India who are very introvert बेचारे. They have this family and like of single friend or two friend, but brands like us make them feel happy and make them feel special. So the good part about, so I learned this from I see you might have seen in a lot of interviews, and I learned it from my father and Mr. Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay.
So I consider my father as my biggest idol. I mean, whatever he has taught me in life, he's going to teach me a lot of things now also. But Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, again, a very influential personality on all of us. I'm sure you must be. Not leave the acting part and leave all the DDLJ, leave all the Jawan box office, leave everything. But the person, what he has taught us, or in fact, what my father both, luckily they both have the same birth dates. Same.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so that is one thing. पता नहीं शायद वो common है. So that the thing is like what he always tells us that if you make people feel special, as a brand, if I make people feel special, obviously if I sell and do, if I do something special for them, if they feel really happy about this or something like that, that's the point I'll hit the right gold spot. Like I can give you an example. Like if you're selling it for a celebrity, let's say, just go to their Instagram and like open बोल रहा हूँ, just go to their Instagram, just take a family pictures of theirs, get a nice postcard of it. Pack your t-shirt, pack your shirt in that bag. Just put that postcard. When when they receive the t-shirt, they'll be even more happy to see their family photograph or
rather than the product. And then
obviously, they will connect. Keep boss. This is the, you know, I mean, these guys are really. So that's what my father and Mr. Shah Rukh Khan told me, that feel people special. मतलब ये नहीं कि सातवें आसमान पर रखो, but if you want to really go big and really ऐसा मेरा philosophy है, I might be wrong side. I mean, it's subjective, but make your consumers feel special about it, and hopefully, you know, please try to purchase and go big from Antiyu and support homegrown Indian brands. I'll be very honest with you, which people are doing.
People have, I think, shifted even in my friend circle, and I've seen the market also shift in a certain way where people are welcoming homegrown brands and they are using them.
Really grateful, Sid, that you are doing this stuff. I mean, ऐसा कुछ, he has not paid me, this is not scripted, but I'm really thankful that you do these things for brands which are doing big. And then at least I can tell when Antiyu goes big, you'll be my face. So I mean, not a better deal like that, right? So
I would really want to do that. And thank you so much for doing this. Thank you so much for giving me the product also. I really loved it. And I'll be wearing it. I'll be supporting it anytime I can. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this. If you want to purchase Antiyu clothing, the links are in the description. You can reach out to their website, Instagram page. All the links are in the description. I really love the product. I can vouch for it. Thank you so much for watching Not Knowing Podcast. Subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.